Take a short video of my 1966 Mercury Parklane Breezeway, an original, basically unrestored car. I've had it 17 years, and it had 57,000 miles when I bought it. It has 59,000 miles on it now. Just did a complete brake job with new brake lines and everything. And it always had an issue with the brakes weren't very good, even though they're power assisted. Turned out that the flex hoses going to the wheels were completely blocked, or just about completely blocked. So now they work beautiful, just like when it was new. Here's the breezeway top. See, I have the glass about half down on it. I did change out the C-pillar trim right here. That's actually a 65 Mercury. I've got the 66 originals in the trunk, but I prefer the way these look. And it does have the cornering lights on it in the front. Those are pretty neat as an option. I actually installed those. I found them years ago. And the trim that was in there, I have also in the trunk. 66 has a neat looking tail lights, sort of like the Lincoln Continental had back in the 60s for a couple years. This has an older repaint. It was done a long time before I bought it, 17 years ago, which is kind of like an older factory look. It's not a perfect paint job, but it's nice, and it shines. Has a spinner wheel covers on it, and inside it's very nice. Nice instrument panel, no cracks, clear, and the steering wheel is nice. It has the original Mercury floor mat in it. Perfect headliner. Has a nice sound to the doors when they close. The back. And that's about it.